Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the totwoo app. So let's get started. So here I will just open the totwoo app. So using it's very easy. First of all, log in into your account. So when you will just log in into the account, then you have to just open your bracelet, and from there you can just open your Bluetooth or the connection. Then you can connect with the app to the Bluetooth, and by this way you can just do it, and it's an easy way too. So it is very easy to use the Toohoo app in your phone, and it is basically for the couples or the best friends or the anything else you can do, like with your father mother, and just connect, and by this way you can just do it. So if you have any question related to this, how to use it, if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.